Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 2.4 and let me share with you some useful codes which you can use on this device. So let's enter firstly the dialer, because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will be connected to the calendar. It is *#225#*##*#. And as you can see, we are in a calendar info, so here we will have all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should appear right here, and events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to check how many grouped events you've got. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *#426#*##*#. And as you can see, those diagnostics are connected and provided by Google. Here we can check some events and also the status. So in the events we can check the server, host, port, time connected and signal level, and after tapping on it we can also check the status. What's more, we can show an advanced view just by tapping on this three dots icon, tapping on advanced view and tapping on the status again. And as you can see here, you've got some further details, for example like the heartbeat, adaptive heartbeat type 1, all stored connections and HB algorithm. Let me get back because that's all for this code, and let me show you the last one, which is *#4636#*##. And as you can see, we are in a testing mode, so here we can check some phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. So let me tap on the phone info, for example. And as you can see here, we can check the info like the email number, current network, data service, data network type, or signal strength. Of course, I know that actually here I do not have any info about my phone, but it is because I do not have my SIM card inserted. So if you will have your own, then you will be able to check those details. What's more, we can run ping tests right here just by tapping, and we can see the results. Let's tap on the three dots icon, and here we can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let me get back to the previous section, and now let's enter the usage statistics. And as you can see here, we've got the list, the full list of all installed apps on this device, and we can sort them by usage time just like now, or last time used, or app name. So for example, after tapping on app name, you can see that the whole list will be all apps will be listed alphabetically, and for example by usage time, then you can check that we've been using the settings for 15 minutes right here. So let me get back and let's check Wi-Fi info, and here we can check the API configuration and status. So let me pick the status, for example. Let's refresh the stats, and here you can check the network state, SSID or network ID. What's more, of course, we can run ping tests right here. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Nokia 2.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.